So welcome to this Season Day Scholar, Season 3.
Mhm.
And for me, this is one of the most close to heart episode because I never thought Yamamoto Sensei will agree to this. So I am I am so much grateful for you to take part to take some time out for this podcast, which is made for younger generation and also mid-career, mid-level, and also everybody can learn something out of this conversation. So there is no time bound. We can take the relaxing and all those things. If the time allotted today will finish, we will complete it another day. But anyway, we will we will go like that. So welcome, Sensei.
Thank you very much for your invitation. Thank you. Yes.
Have you ever been in conflict where you have to fight it out?
Probably no.
Probably no. You are lucky because maybe
I don't want to fight, and if something like a blame comes, just I ignore it.
Okay. Oh, just ignore. Yeah, and give time. Okay, Sensei. Just very 3 things. Your major strength.
Major what?
Major strength. What is your major strength? I am asking from being human. What excites you about your work? You already answered. Mission and
also I think probably this is something. Maybe I made something like treatment, but at this moment, of course, my major strength is curiosity.
Curiosity.
And then, of course, probably humble. Swift decision making.
Great. And that makes you a great administrator.
Because I change. Because if I ask in my life, when I was asked, I move, something like that.
Yeah, you are not showing very much. Something you are not good at.
Not good at is outgoing activities or to be sociable too much. And then another point is right now I'm very much regret. Poor handwriting.
Okay. How do you handle pressure?
So this means just leave it.
Just leave it.
So what I mean is probably it's uncontrollable anyhow. Just leave it. Probably naturally it will be released.
Yeah, your most favorite author?
This is a Japanese author. So male is Natsume Soseki Natsume, and then Japanese author. And then female one is Nanami Shiono Nanami. Is a storyteller from the ancient Rome to the Renaissance area in Italy. It is too.
Yeah. Favorite food?
Oh, ratna. It's noodle with the thickened soup. So soup. We call it ratna or ankakemen in Japanese.
Oh, ankakemen. Okay. Your favorite drink?
Of course, Sinhavier.
Sinhavier. What is your most favorite position?
Oh, professor, of course. Professor, of course.
So this is profession, but I am asking position. Some car, maybe your 001 car.
Possession.
Yeah.
Possession. Sorry. Possession. Right now, most favorite one. Yes, car. Right now, I love car.
Yeah.
In my house in Japan, yes.
What is your most favorite book?
Oh, this one is okay. So I chose the Voyage of the Beagle, Charles Darwin. Voyage of the Beagle. This is very much when I was young, very much
yeah, attractive and interesting. Inspirative. Favorite actors?
Tony Leon. You know Tony Leon?
Yeah, I know. And female?
Female, many. It's okay. Man, it's okay. I can't choose.
Okay. Julia Roberts or something?
Yeah.
Favorite movie?
Oh, last year, I took movie out of 13s, most interesting. Last year, most favorite one is House of Gucci.
Yeah, I watched it.
Lady Gaga.
Yeah.
House of Gucci.
And do you watch movie? How often you watch movie?
So once, when I was before I came to AIT, I went to see movie with my wife once or twice a month. I like to go to movie theater.
Great. This is at least one thing that we share. Your favorite quote?
In Japanese, Jinkan Banji Saiyou ga uma. English translation, probably life is unpredictable.
Great. I think we should believe it. Your favorite mantra?
Namu Amidabus.
Means?
Nam Buddha. It's a Buddha. Buddha was Namu Amidabus. Something like admire of the Amida Buddha. It's a Buddhist mantra. I always, anyhow, when I was in Japan, I always, every day, Namu Amidabus.
Oh, great. Trip in the past, favorite trip?
One is many places, but
Jordan?
if I choose one, York. In England.
Yorkshire.
York.
Yorkshire. Your any wish list? Bucket list.
Bucket list is okay. And then after that, when I leave here, finish this term, I travel with my wife in Japan and then abroad many times. Travel.
Please come to India as well.
Okay, all right.
Favorite restaurant?
No favorite. Okay. No, too many.
Favorite cuisine?
Oh no,
Japanese
too many.
or
Japanese, Thai.
Or Thai.
Yeah, Thai. Yes.
Which one? If you are asked Thai or Japanese, which one you will choose?
Thai. Right now, Thai.
If you were not an academician, what you have been?
Probably governmental officer.
Good.
My mother.
Even there,
yeah.
And even there, you would have made a great administration and a great effective person. So that's come to the end, and I can only thank you for sparing such a precious time for you. I am sorry for overshooting it for 20 minutes. Like that. And
thank you.
Thank you very much for.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So
I hope you enjoyed. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Enjoyed. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye.